Day 2 of... No. No, wait. Vlog 2. Okay. I don't know. I don't even know. Okay. We are now in Ikea. We're supposed to walk by that way. Follow the arrows. Oh, nice. How do you pronounce Ikea here?
I pronounce it Ikea.
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 Ikea. Ikea is Nihon's way of pronouncing.
Ikea.
Ikea.
Yeah,
Ikea.
it's K.
Ikea. Oh, look at that. So pretty.
So nice.
Oh, I love those shelves with lights. It's nice. This looks like a small Japanese apartment.
I wonder if like you on it right and if you touch it, you can hurt.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah.
Oh, mirrors. Oh, it's nice. A chair. A hook. A chair hook. Oh. Toilet. This is for display purpose only. Another mirror. This is so cool because you can just... When you're lazy to iron, you can just iron on your bed. Couches. You know how guys, they accompany their girlfriends to shop. And if your girlfriend loves Ikea, but you don't really like Ikea, you have lots of sofas here to sit and wait for her. Oh, look at the light. Cool. Ooh.
This will be your thumbnail, good. One swing, so I had to like put up my leg. Oh, it's so nice. Nice.
This, it's a lift. What is this? Oh, this is so cute.
For what?
For sitting. Well, ooh. It's nice.
But what if I want to turn here?
Look at this, so gorgeous. Wait, let me just... Oh, 4-room HDB. So once you enter in, it's the living room. It's a 4-room. It's a 4-room flat. Wow. This is a good table because you know you can, how do you call this, adjust it. And you display your stuff here. It's nice. When you have no space, you can just put it down. Nice. I like it. Hey, Jun has this. Whoa. Oh, it's spinning back. It's spinning back. It's spinning back again. Oh, it's spinning. Let's go to the master bedroom. Is this a master bedroom? Oh, I love lights. That in the closet. I love this room. Oh, Yvonne, the bed is nice. Try the bed. It's nice. The bed is nice. I mean, for me, it is. It's nice.
Okay, not bad. Not bad.
Look what we found here. The bat from Miji. Look at this. Whoa! Push it. Whoa! Let's do.
When you want to when you want to tell people in your house that you're mad but you can't.
Ooh. For a second, I thought this was tatami mat. This will be nice. Oh my, that's so cute. You don't have to worry about it dropping because it's plastic. Ooh, more sofas. Oh. I think you can like kind of adjust it. More small tables. Look, cute. It's so cute. And that's so nice.
It looks like a leaf.
Oh, look at this. If you can't choose between brown and red, just get both. This is honestly cute though. If you have a small corner in your living room, you could put this. But plants, they're real, right? Oh, they're fake. Now we're in the... Where are we now? I honestly like open shelves, not those closed at the back kinds. Like this. Oh, this color is nice. Light grey. Cheers.
Yay. This is so romantic. I like it. I can so imagine us here.
I love those part. This is so good. I like how everything that is outdated is still here in Ikea. I've seen this, like those chairs before already. I don't know how many years back, but it's still here. That's a nice thing. Catalog.
Oh, it's a ballroom.
Ooh, pretty. Elizabeth. That's so nice. Oh my gosh, look at this. These are coasters. Gosh. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, golden coasters. What? I love the glass. For a second, I thought it was part of the glass until I saw this. Oh, dark. I love kitchens. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so nice. I love storages like that. Beautiful plants. Fake one. I mean, I know it's quite big, but I like that. I like it if there's an island on the kitchen. You can do a lot of things together with it. Like baking and cooking for Christmas or cooking for guests like Trish. You need to prepare lots of food. Plan your kitchen. Oh wow, that's so nice. Everyday eco. Yeah, it's nice. I love it. This is nice. Oh, pretty colors. It's nice. I like the colors.
Bonnie was here, then there's like this.
Oh yeah, I've seen videos of that. Also, I like this. I want one. Oh, I love storages. I love separators.
This is so cool.
Oh.
And then you can put these things. It's like doing chemistry.
Yeah. That's so nice. How do you not think of this in D&D? You know how they say, oh, make a pen holder or something. It actually looks legit. Just make a smaller version of a pen holder. Get your ideas from Ikea. I'm gonna pronounce Ikea the Japanese way already. Ikea. Nihongo dewa Ikea.
Incredibles.
Oh, Edna. So we just saw someone who reminds us of Edna Mode from The Incredibles. There, jeez. She's wearing glasses also. What are these? Oh, these are chopsticks. Look at this chopstick. It looks so... How do you feel a pancake?
I don't know, you just
Flip.
scoop, turn it over.
Cooking 101 with Yvonne.
Better cooking.
Oh, this mirror is nice. I like this kind of mirrors. Ooh, cabinets or drawers. I don't know what you call that. What's the right term? Drawers? Oh, okay, drawers.
Oh, wait,
There's actually a term for it,
term
right?
for it.
Mirrors. I love mirrors. Mirrors. Workspaces. We are now at the workspaces. Oh, we're still at number 8.
Seriously.
Oh wow, look at this workspace. Today's agenda.
Oh, it's on the table.
Oh really?
That's so cool.
Mine isn't moving. Is it mine? Why is not mine moving? It lowers? Really?
It brings up and down the table.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
That's so tiring though.
We need this for piano in church.
Yeah.
Mine doesn't seem to work though. It's too short for me. Alright, look at that. It's moving up, guys.
And then the
Mirrors.
Yeah.
Mirrors. No, I'm just saying it's mirrors. Oh, we're at the end. We're at the end. Yay. I'm hungry when I see, now that I see the food. What can we eat in Ikea? Ikea. What can you eat in Ikea? Oh my gosh, they have trays for their food. I mean, as in trolley trays? I didn't see these before. Or maybe I just never really use it, so it's exactly the same as Japan's. They have trays like that. Their orders are from the vending machine, then they just go there and give your order. Like that one time we went to buy food and made a mistake at the vending machine. It's a long queue, man.
on the big one.
So where do we get our trolley? We need.
When you go in there.
Alright, okay. So we cancelled out on eating. It's too expensive. Maybe to some it's not expensive, but to us it is because we're trying to go on a budget here. It's too expensive. It's expensive for us. We want to, but it's if we can use that amount for something bigger and better, so why not? Let's go down now. Yes. Shopping bag? They're big though.
You can just drag.
Yeah.
It has wheels.
Where to first? I really love those lights, those gorgeous lights. Yes, wooden spatula. Your mom wants it?
Yeah.
Okay, so Yvonne, what is this for?
Mash stuff.
What is the name of this?
Masher.
No, it's not.
What was it? Was it?
Hilt. Oh, I love this kind of materials. $5.90. Oh wait, for that one, $1.90. Yeah. This is $5.90.
What's this?
Soup. A whisk.
Oh, okay. I feel so dumb just looking at it.
Oh, I have this. Some people think this is for soup. No, but this is a spoon.
This is that thingy, right?
What thing?
That you open. I mean, you put the stuff on
What
it.
stuff?
That thingy.
It's for the egg. It's an egg slicer.
I don't think it's just for egg.
No, it's just
for egg.
it's just for egg slicer. That's why they have this made. It's only for egg.
It's not just for egg.
What else can you do it? Use it with eggs are soft. These ones are very fragile, you know.
Really?
Yeah.
Can I cut it? Can I cut
You
an
can
apple
actually
with it?
No. What the
Really?
heck? You can't. It's for eggs only. I don't even know.
Tweezer.
The what?
I call it the tweezer.
What tweezer? Tweezers. That's what she calls tweezers. Cooking 101 with Yvonne. These are called tweezers.
Now you know.
Knives. So nice. This is heaven to me. I love storages. This is so cute. They have a smaller one, another size. That's all. 3 sizes. I thought it was made of paper, but it's not. I like this. Oh, it's so bright. Wow, look at that. Oh, they have a small one.
What's it?
I love lights. I love lamp.
We are advising all parents against.
I can show you the world. Do you trust me? I can show you. Yeah, this is the time where you can sing that song. Remember how they sing the whisper? I can show you the world. What language is that, Igoro?
Basically, native language.
A native language. I thought I heard some Japanese word that I've never heard before. Igoro. Whoa. Is that a goat? I don't think that's a goat. She called that goats. Goats. How have you been going out looking at that as goats?
Well, I know it's a reindeer, but I don't know. The first thing that came to my mind was a goat. Are there?
Albino trees. Mirrors. I love mirrors. Oh, pretty. There's a smeller. Oh, it's nice. Oh, look at this. So pretty. The art. The way they did it. Plants. I want a plant in the room. Oh, cacti.
I remember my mom bought like a bunch of them and then it died.
I'm wondering how high that ceiling is. Like, how many meters is this? Oh, so cute! Oh, cute! Look at this! I want one. Fake
But it's
things. Albino trees again. Fruit.
opening.
Okay, so we got our stuff. I mean, our stuff. Alright. Wait. They're just nice. I'm pretty sure they made it to fit everything.
We're off to go dinner.
Hi, Ikea. Alright, let's go eat. Yeah. What's yours?
Mushroom
Okay. Spicy tomato. Itadakimasu. It's my turn. Spicy tomato. Look at me to film you. No, it's okay. We're done. My lips are pink because of the spicy tomatoes. We're waiting for ice cream. Ice cream for ice cream! Yeah, we got our ice cream. What flavor is this? Chocolate. So much chocolates.
Chocolate! Chocolate! Chocolate!